Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view as public your Facebook profile. So maybe if you guys are wondering what it looks like or what your Facebook profile looks like in public, I'm going to show you how you can do that without having to log out your account or see it in your friend's account. So I'm going to show you how. So just click on the three lines icon at the top and then click on see your profile, and then here at your profile just click on the three dots icon, and here you'll find the view as option. Just click on that, and here is your profile view as public. So this is what your profile will look like if it's seen by public. So this one's right here, you can see your profile in here. Okay guys, so I think that's all. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.